Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Right guys, let's go ahead and open this. Now, I like the texture of this invitation. It's quite rubbery, it's not plastic. It's got a little cutout that I'd have to pull up. So, let's go ahead and see. Now, that is pretty cool. There's some things a glass panel. Well, I think this is the entire invitation. So it's actually a mirrored glass panel. If you can just see that it says, speed you need, OnePlus 6, launch on 16th of May 2018 London. In this book some text of it back, it says, Kosher, you have played an important role in shaping the way we build our products, which is why we'd like you to be among the first to witness our most beautiful device, yet mastering new levels of grass craftsmanship. We've refined this natural element to achieve a unique and timeless look. The beautiful to hold and striking to see. This imitation gives you the glimpse of the excitement to conquer. We invite you to join us in May to go hands-on with our latest flagship and witness true speed, the speed to do more and faster. We're confident this experience would be so smooth and fast that you will instantly notice the difference and never settle. Now this is a critical imitation. I'm be taking this with me next week and I'm not sure if you actually need this to get in, but I have a confirmation email as well to get me into the event. But this is going to be awesome. If this has anything to do with how the glass looks like, or the screen looks like on the phone itself, I think we've got really cool thing coming up from OnePlus 6, and I'm gonna be bringing you all of those updates next week. So the event is on the May 16th, 2018. I'm gonna be taking all of the pictures, videos. Check me out on the Instagram at Training Reviews. I'm going to be posting them on the day from the event as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless.